Welcome. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to sign up for classes for next year. You may not get all of your elective choices, but guidance will work hard to meet your needs. Log into Aspen and select My Info at the top menu bar. Next, select Requests on the left menu. You should automatically be in entry mode. If you accidentally select Exit Entry Mode, you can go back to entry mode by clicking Entry Mode. You must be in entry mode in order to make your course requests. I need to choose 7 primary electives and 3 alternate electives since I'm going into the 12th grade. In order to do this, select the department that you're interested in. I'll start with art. And I'm going to sign up for crafts and culture. Going down to English, I'm interested in taking rhyme and rhythm. Now I'm going to choose a foreign language. I've already taken Spanish 1, which shows course completed, and I've been recommended for Spanish 2, so I'm going to sign up for that class. You can also sign up for more than one class from a single department. Let's look at music, dance, and drama. There are many music, dance, and drama classes available, so they're actually on 2 pages. This is page 1, and you can get to page 2 by clicking this arrow. You can also use the drop-down in order to get to the next page. Right now I'm interested in taking Dance 1, Guitar 2 since I've already taken Guitar 1, and I'm going to try Video Production, which is a new class next year. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need one more elective. Let's look at science. And I'll take Intro to Forensic Science. Now I need to choose alternate electives. Let's choose an alternate art class. I'll try Introduction to Digital Design, and I'm really interested in taking this class, so I'm going to give it a priority of 1, which means I'm most likely to get this class. Let's look at some of the history classes. I'm going to try Latin American Studies and Intro to Law as my priorities 2 and 3 respectively. Oops, I forgot to click the boxes. So if that happens, you can go back and just click the boxes. Now I have my 7 primary electives and my 3 alternates. I can make changes at any time by choosing the course that I want to change and unchecking it. For example, for art, if I wanted to instead change the priority, I can right there, or I can even change the course by unchecking it and choosing a different class. If I decided I don't want to take a particular department's elective because I want to get rid of my science class and instead take another music class, I could go to Science, uncheck it, and then go to Music, and let's try Percussive Grooves. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.